Top 5 delicious brunch recipes for people with diabetes. Have you ever wondered if your favorite brunch foods might be secretly raising your blood sugar? Many classic brunch dishes, fluffy pancakes, buttery bagels, sugary yogurts, may taste amazing, but they're also loaded with refined carbs that can send glucose levels soaring. But here's the good news. You don't have to give up brunch to stay healthy. What if I told you that you could still enjoy a delicious, satisfying meal without the sugar spikes? That's right. Today, we're diving into 5 incredible brunch recipes made specifically for people with diabetes. These dishes are packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep your blood sugar stable while delivering amazing flavors. Ready to transform your brunch game? Let's get started. 1. Black bean and white cheddar frittata. If you're looking for a brunch recipe that's not only delicious but also diabetes-friendly, this black bean and white cheddar frittata is a perfect choice. It's packed with protein, low in carbs, and bursting with bold flavors. The combination of fluffy eggs, creamy white cheddar, and hearty black beans creates a rich, satisfying bite every time. Whether you need a quick breakfast, a light lunch, or even a simple dinner, this dish fits the bill. Plus, it's incredibly easy to customize to your personal taste. If you enjoy a little heat, adding a spoonful of spicy salsa or a pinch of chipotle pepper will bring in a smoky, fiery kick. But if you prefer something milder, a squeeze of fresh lime juice will enhance the flavors with a refreshing tang. One of the biggest advantages of this frittata is that it helps keep blood sugar levels stable. Unlike traditional carb-heavy breakfasts, which can cause energy crashes, this dish provides a steady source of fuel. Black beans are a great source of fiber, which helps slow digestion and prevents blood sugar spikes. The eggs and cheese supply high-quality protein, keeping you full and satisfied for hours. It's also a much healthier alternative to processed breakfast options like sugary cereals or pastries, which can wreak havoc on blood sugar control. Another great thing about this recipe is how simple it is to make. You don't need any fancy ingredients or complicated steps. Just whisk together eggs, mix in the black beans and cheddar, and let it cook until golden brown and fluffy. It's a no-fail dish that even beginner cooks can master. The frittata can also be baked in the oven if you prefer a hands-off approach, making it even more convenient for busy mornings. If you have leftovers, they store well in the fridge and can be reheated for a quick protein-packed snack. If you're serving a crowd, consider pairing this frittata with a fresh green salad or a side of avocado slices for extra healthy fats. You can also sprinkle some chopped cilantro or green onions on top for an added burst of flavor. No matter how you customize it, this dish proves that eating with diabetes doesn't mean sacrificing taste. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a satisfying, well-balanced meal while keeping your health in check. So, if you're on the lookout for an easy, nutritious, and incredibly delicious brunch option, give this black bean and white cheddar frittata a try. You won't be disappointed. 2. Asparagus omelet tortilla wrap. The asparagus omelet. Tortilla wrap is a fantastic choice for a diabetes-friendly brunch, offering a perfect balance of whole grains, protein, and fiber to keep blood sugar levels steady. This wrap is not only nutritious, but also incredibly satisfying, making it an excellent way to start the day. The fluffy omelet, loaded with fresh asparagus, pairs beautifully with a whole grain tortilla, creating a delicious combination of textures and flavors. Asparagus is a powerhouse vegetable for people with diabetes, as it's packed with fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins while being naturally low in carbohydrates. It helps support healthy digestion and slows down the absorption of sugar, making it an ideal ingredient for blood sugar management. One of the best things about this wrap is its versatility. If asparagus isn't your favorite, you can easily swap it out for fresh spinach, kale, or bell peppers. Any non-starchy vegetable will work well. The eggs provide high-quality protein, keeping you full for longer and preventing blood sugar spikes. Plus, adding a sprinkle of cheese gives a creamy, savory element that makes every bite even more satisfying. The whole grain tortilla adds fiber and complex carbs, which digest more slowly than refined grains, helping to maintain steady energy levels throughout the morning. If you're looking for a way to make this even healthier, opt for a low-carb or high-fiber tortilla to further support blood sugar control. This wrap is not only packed with nutrition, but also incredibly convenient for busy mornings. It takes just minutes to prepare and can even be made ahead of time. If you need a grab-and-go breakfast, simply wrap it in foil and take it with you. No need to sacrifice a healthy meal just because you're short on time. You can also pair it with a side of fresh fruit like berries or a small apple to add natural sweetness and extra fiber without overloading on sugar. Unlike traditional breakfast options that are high in refined carbs and sugars, this wrap provides sustained energy and keeps cravings at bay. For an extra boost of flavor, consider adding a dash of black pepper, a sprinkle of fresh herbs like cilantro or chives, or even a small dollop of Greek yogurt for creaminess. Whether you're making this for yourself or serving it to family, it's a simple yet delicious way to enjoy a diabetes-friendly brunch that doesn't compromise on taste. Eating well with diabetes doesn't have to be boring, and this asparagus omelet tortilla wrap is proof that healthy food can be both nourishing and incredibly delicious. Try it for your next breakfast or brunch, and you'll see just how satisfying a well-balanced meal can be. If you're enjoying these delicious diabetes-friendly brunch ideas, don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips. And if you have any questions or need advice on managing diabetes, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. 3. Apple pancakes. Apple pancakes are a delightful way to enjoy a comforting and satisfying brunch while keeping blood sugar in check. These pancakes are light, fluffy, and naturally sweetened with fresh apples and warm cinnamon, making them a perfect diabetes-friendly alternative to traditional pancakes that often contain too much sugar and refined flour. Apples are a great fruit choice for people with diabetes because they provide natural sweetness without causing drastic spikes in blood sugar. They are also packed with fiber, which helps slow digestion and keeps glucose levels steady. Plus, the combination of cinnamon enhances both the flavor and the health benefits, as cinnamon has been shown to support blood sugar regulation. What makes these apple pancakes stand out is their balance of complex carbohydrates, protein, and fiber. Unlike regular pancakes made with white flour, which can lead to energy crashes, these pancakes use whole grains or a mix of whole wheat and almond flour, providing long-lasting energy. The fiber from the apples and flour works to slow down the absorption of sugar, while the protein from eggs and milk helps keep you full and satisfied for hours. If you want to make them even more blood sugar friendly, you can substitute regular flour with oat flour or a mix of coconut and almond flour to lower the carb content and increase fiber intake. A pinch of baking powder ensures they stay soft and fluffy, creating the perfect texture without needing unhealthy additives. Another reason to love these pancakes is that they don't need syrup to be delicious. The apples add a natural sweetness, so you won't miss the added sugar. But if you prefer a little extra flavor, try topping them with Greek yogurt, a handful of nuts, or a light drizzle of sugar-free maple syrup. Some people also enjoy adding a bit of vanilla extract or nutmeg to enhance the flavor profile even further. And if you're looking for a crunchy contrast, sprinkle some chopped walnuts or almonds on top. These nuts provide healthy fats that help stabilize blood sugar levels. These apple pancakes are incredibly easy to prepare and can even be made ahead of time for a quick grab-and-go breakfast. Simply cook them as usual, let them cool, and store them in the fridge or freezer. When you're ready to eat, just warm them up in a pan or microwave, and they'll taste just as fresh as when you first made them. Whether you're making a batch for yourself or serving them to family, these pancakes prove that eating well with diabetes doesn't mean giving up the foods you love. Instead, it's about finding smarter ways to enjoy them with the right ingredients and mindful preparation. So next time you're craving a warm, comforting breakfast, give these apple pancakes a try. You won't be disappointed. 4. Shakshuka. Shakshuka is a warm, flavorful dish that's perfect for a healthy brunch, especially for people with diabetes. It's a North African and Middle Eastern favorite made with poached eggs in a rich tomato sauce infused with onions, garlic, cumin, and paprika. This dish is not only delicious, but also diabetes-friendly because it's low in carbs, packed with fiber and full of nutrients that help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Tomatoes provide antioxidants like lycopene, known for reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. Since diabetes management is all about choosing foods that digest slowly and provide steady energy, shakshuka is a fantastic choice. One of the best things about this dish is its simplicity. The base is made with tomatoes and onions, which create a naturally sweet and savory sauce. Cumin and paprika add warmth and depth, while garlic enhances the overall flavor. To increase the fiber content, you can toss in vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, or zucchini, all of which are great for diabetics because they're low in carbs but rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Eggs add high-quality protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar and keeps you feeling full longer. Unlike high-carb breakfast options like toast or cereal, shakshuka is a satisfying, low-glycemic meal. Preparing shakshuka is incredibly easy and only takes about 20 minutes. Start by sautéing onions and garlic until fragrant, then add chopped tomatoes and spices. Let the sauce simmer until slightly thickened, then crack eggs over the top. Cover and cook until the whites are set but the yolks remain runny. The soft, creamy eggs blend beautifully with the rich tomato sauce. You can top it off with fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley, and even add a sprinkle of feta cheese for extra flavor. If you like pairing shakshuka with something on the side, go for a small portion of whole grain bread or a few slices of avocado. Whole grains provide additional fiber to slow digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes, while avocado adds healthy fats that promote satiety. If you're avoiding bread, shakshuka is just as satisfying on its own. Plus, it's great for meal prepping. Simply make a big batch of the tomato sauce and reheat it before adding fresh eggs when you're ready to eat. Shakshuka proves that healthy eating doesn't have to be bland or complicated. It's a meal that feels indulgent while actually supporting blood sugar control and overall wellness. Whether you're making it for yourself or serving it to family and friends, it's guaranteed to be a hit. So next time you're looking for a satisfying diabetes-friendly brunch, give shakshuka a try. It might just become your new favorite way to enjoy eggs. 5. Poached eggs with tarragon asparagus. Poached eggs with tarragon asparagus is an elegant yet simple brunch dish that's perfect for people with diabetes. Not only does it provide a balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, but it also delivers a burst of flavor that makes eating healthy feel like a treat. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar and keeps you feeling full for hours. Meanwhile, asparagus is low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, making it an ideal vegetable for anyone looking to manage their glucose levels. The addition of fresh tarragon adds a subtle anise-like aroma that perfectly complements the delicate flavors of the dish. What makes this meal so great is its simplicity. Poaching eggs might seem intimidating, but it's actually very easy and requires no added fats or oils, keeping the calorie count low while preserving the egg's natural creaminess. To start, bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer and add a splash of vinegar. This helps the eggs maintain their shape. Crack an egg into a small bowl and gently slide it into the water, cooking for about 3 minutes until the whites are set, but the yolk is still runny. The result is a silky, rich egg that pairs beautifully with the crisp, tender asparagus. For the asparagus, a quick blanch in boiling water followed by a toss in a hot pan with a drizzle of olive oil brings out its natural sweetness while keeping it slightly crisp. The key is not to overcook it. Tender yet firm asparagus has a much better texture and retains more of its blood sugar-friendly fiber. Adding fresh tarragon at the end gives the dish a lovely herbal freshness that elevates the flavors even more. If you like a little crunch, a light sprinkle of toasted breadcrumbs or crushed nuts can add a satisfying contrast without significantly increasing the carb count. For a dairy-free option, you can finish the dish with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice instead of cheese, enhancing the brightness while keeping the meal light and refreshing. And there you have it, 5 absolutely delicious, diabetes-friendly brunch recipes that prove healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. Whether you're craving something savory like shakshuka or something light and fresh like a Greek yogurt parfait, these meals will keep your blood sugar stable while satisfying your taste buds. Remember, managing diabetes isn't about giving up the foods you love. It's about making smarter choices. So why not start today? Try out one of these recipes and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments. And if you want even more tips on how to keep your blood sugar in check, don't miss our next video. It's packed with even more life-changing advice. Click here to watch now. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.